I'm thinking, if I remember rightly, that this is not exactly the case. No, it is not. That was not what I had in mind in blowing out that. The barriers are quite handy because these things are very prolific in their shooting. And things get going pretty fast. And on this, I got to try and get under here. Okay, so I missed the bonus. Okay. Now as you see, ooh, I cleared the room. Things get moving pretty fast. And I'm not sure if you can tell there, but you see these guys, they start coming down lower. As I just found, you can shoot out the shots coming at you sometimes. Okay. So I'm using I don't know that I've ever quite done. Now, if you notice, as I do, these guys are much slower, much faster. So, as much as I like to blow away oh, this is going well, so I'm going to keep doing it. Now, they're going to get moving faster. Oh, look at how low they are now. So, as I say, as much as I like to blow away the ends, it is very important to knock out the lower because if they get down to the bottom, you're done. I do not think I have done this well, ever. So once again, oh, even my arm is getting tired. I'm going to blow away, or get blown away. See, they are so low now that if they fire, you have very little opportunity to get out of the way. First bonus. Oh, I should not have gone that way. Okay. Oh my. Okay, now they are lower and faster. And they are really low. I could not be bothered with that. Now I gotta get this guy before he gets me. Oh my. This is going quite well. If any of you have watched me play, it was going quite well. Play before, I have not cleared nearly this many. I am running out of, okay. Oh, is that it? Game over. Well, that's okay. 4,920. I'm not sure, but I think that may be the best I have ever done. Anyway, so